Hello friends, my name is Manoj. In today's video, we'll talk about what is virtual machine and what are containers, like what are the difference among them. So, I also created a separate video on what is hypervisors and Docker. So you can surely check out that video. I will provide the link on the description. For the meanwhile, I will just talk about the architecture of containers and the virtual machine. Okay, so the underline we have our in a server we have our hardware component where we have, let's suppose, 12 TB of RAM, 50 TB of hard drive. We have some Xenon processor. Okay, over that we install our OS. Let's suppose we use CentOS, and over that we have to install the application. Let's suppose in virtual machine we use hypervisor, in the containerization or in the containers we use Docker. Over that we can create our VMs, and over the Docker we can create our containers. Okay, so this is the architecture, and now understand the difference among that. First is high utilization. And in here we have low utilization. So why we have that? Let's also discuss that. In virtual machine, these VMs have their own OS, and they compile something, or they run something, or they process something in that VM itself. They won't interact with the host OS, but in the containers they interact with the host OS in order to process some query. So that the reason they are, the Docker or the containers are using less resources, but on the other hand the VM are they utilize the they have the high utilization. And the another thing, the size. They have the big size, and they have less size or a small size. Why they have that? Because in a virtual machine they have their apps, they have their OS, they have their kernel, but in the containers they don't have that. They have their apps, they have their OS, and rest, the kernel thing, they just take it from the host OS. So that the reason they have the small size. Other than that, they have the high boot up time. But they have the less boot up time. Because in the virtualization, when VM1 start or when VM2 start, at that time we are initializing or powering on a machine. So it take the same amount of time that a normal machine will take, but in the containerization the container will on and it will just connect to the kernel. So at that time they don't need to perform all those checks. So that the reason they have the less boot time. Other than that, they have complete isolation. Virtual machines are complete isolated, and for the containerization they are less isolated. Why they are less and high isolated? Because the in the case of virtual machine, they are utilizing or they are processing their process in that VM itself. They are not interacting with the host OS, but in the containers they are in order to process something they are interacting with the host OS or the host kernel. So that the reason they are less isolated. So I hope you understand the difference between the virtualization virtual machine and the containers. So if you have something to share, you can just ask me with a comment, or if you have anything, you can reach out to me over the Twitter. I will further assist you on that. And for the more such video, you can subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.